Hi, St. John's members. This is Stacy, and this is just a brief tutorial on how to how to join a Zoom meeting. I'm in my trusty old AOL account, and you can see that there's an email with an invitation. Stacy Benner is inviting you to a scheduled Zoom meeting, and there's a topic and the day and the time. Now you'll see a couple different things. Right now here you see how to join the meeting by clicking that link. You see the meeting ID and the passcode. This here I don't ever use, so I ignore that. If you wanted to join by telephone, you'll see the phone number here. You can use the 301 number, you can use the New York number, doesn't matter. And when you call that number, the computer will prompt you then to enter the meeting ID number, which is listed right here, followed by the pound sign. Then it's going to ask you for the passcode. You dial the passcode in, followed by the pound sign. But this evening, I'd like to show you how to use this computer link. Oh, you can hear my clock in the background, can't you? I'm going to click that link, and then I'm going to ask it to open. It's connecting now, and there's John. I'm going to have join with computer audio. Now, John can't hear me right now because right down here you can see that I am muted. You see the microphone with the little cross through that. So I'm going to come down here and unmute my microphone. There's a little microphone right there, and I'll unmute that. And he should hear me now. Hi, John. Looks like you're working hard. Thanks for joining me on the Zoom meeting. Now I'm going to show folks here, if you bring this little hand up here, here's how you can mute yourself. But these three little dots here let you kind of change how you see things. You can pin my face there. Well, I don't want to do that again. I want to remove that pin. Or I can change the view. You can see kind of up here, that's the speaker view. Or I can change it to gallery view. When you put it on gallery view, you'll see everybody in the meeting. So there's a little tricks that you can do. You can also switch it to full screen if you would like. So I'm going to exit full screen there. If you have any questions, you can hit this little area here that says chat, and a chat box will come up where you can type in messages. I'll say, hi, John, and I'll send that message to John, and then everyone can see that message. Okay, I'm going to now get out of the chat by clicking the chat button once again. When I'm finished with the meeting, well, before I do, let me tell you, I can stop the video so he cannot see me, and I'll just click this little movie camera down there, and that stops my video. I happen to have a picture of myself there at the ready, so they can see something. So I'll start my video again. To leave this meeting, I bring my cursor over here to leave, and this is how I get out. Thank you, John, for joining me in the meeting. Aw, all right. Bye-bye, John. I'm going to leave the meeting, and that is all there is to it. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope to see you in the next Church St. John's council meeting or congregational meeting. Bye-bye.